Hi, my name is Julio Mendez. I'm a realtor broker with Royal LePage West, and I'm part of teamwest.ca. Welcome to 5 Michael Power Place, Unit 2007 in the heart of Islington City Center West. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should visit this unit. Number 1, this unit has been renovated. Number 2, location. This unit is within 8-minute walk to Islington TTC station. And number 3, community. You have a park within a 5-minute walk, you have schools, and it's close to everything. So without further ado, enjoy this tour. Bye. Welcome to 5 Michael Power Place Unit 2007. This building is in the heart of Islington City Center West. The major intersection is Bloor and Islington Avenue. Walk to Islington TTC in only 8 minutes or 12 minutes to Kipling Station. This corner unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 885 square feet of livable space. In terms of renovations and upgrades, this unit has been recently painted in 2022. Popcorn ceilings were removed in 2022. In the kitchen, the Quartz countertop was updated in 2022 with new undermount sink. All kitchen appliances are stainless steel and were updated in 2021. They all have extended warranties. Primary bedroom has a great size, and it also has an ensuite bathroom. Ensuite bathroom has a new vanity mirror with LED light. Secondary bedroom has also a great size and can be used as an office or a kid's bedroom. Secondary bathroom has a new vanity mirror with LED light. Washer and dryer was updated in 2021 with extended warranties. Enjoy breathless views to the west and north and amazing sunsets in the summer. The amenities in the building are Concierge 24/7, a party room, an exercise room, and a billiard room. This unit comes with an own parking and an own locker. Well, what do you think? Come and visit 5 Michael Power Place, Unit 2007. This is Julio Mendez. Please call to this number below or check out our website, teamwest.ca. Have a good one. Take care.